Hey guys, so I have a 2012 F-150 Platinum here with these running boards, and if you've ever had the problem to where they actually don't open, sometimes people will tell you to spray kind of like this grease right here and to check all the connections and everything else like that. But sometimes what these people will do is right here in the settings, you actually just have to go to where it says settings, then right here to vehicle, and you scroll down. At first you don't see it, but you scroll down to power running boards. And sometimes right here this will be set to off. Sometimes this happens because the battery unplugs. Sometimes they do it to kind of sell the car a little cheaper at the auctions. So right now, whenever the door is closed, if we actually go to open the door, nothing's going on either side. However, if we go right here and we change that to auto, they'll open. And now they're gonna close in a second. Sometimes not, but they should close and open on their own. There they go, so they're closed, and now they open. So that's how you fix it, right here on the settings, and you're good to go.